PayPal did catch a bit of a sell off of that view up, but you know what? I'm not really.
Let's look at PayPal.
We have about 7 minutes left until the close.
I do own PayPal at $64.98 and $58.50. We'll watch out for the gap to the south side.
Yeah, I'm pulling that up right now. Thank you, Sean, for that. Hims, yeah, Hims hitting high of day, so that's taking a little bit of a run here. Does it have an imbalance that trades on the NYSE? Yeah, okay, so nothing too crazy. That's the thing.
60.13 to the north side, back to the baseline, 54.52.
But yeah, Hims bidding up pretty aggressively, 58.19s right now. You can see that it broke out of that 57.20-ish opening range high pretty well and sustained as it stair-stepped higher, and we're getting that strong close. So I haven't really been watching this too closely, so let's take a look on a higher time frame and see where that is relative to some prior levels. Oh boy, some of those anchors holding really well. Let's take those off the screen. Holding really well on top of some structures, 52s holding, and maybe revisiting the high of the range here.
This gap closed at 58.09.
But you can see over the past, I guess, year since the beginning,
74.41 for the next leg up.
Every few months might be the best way to kind of take this.
$85 is a target.
Take a look at this. Nike, not Nike. PayPal getting slapped to the upside as of right now here.
Do you get slapped to the upside? That's just weird.
So the question becomes, is there a buy imbalance on PayPal? I do not see anything, guys. That's a crazy bid that's coming in. So yeah, no idea why. Glad I didn't get punched the short into that one there. I'm glad I was
75.98 is one target.
Do whatever it wanted to do. So
the forecast is 82.07. After that, 120.
On the NASDAQ. So yeah, we get some crazy moves sometimes, and sometimes you don't get anything, right? Alphabet to its day lows as of right now. Let me know, what did you guys trade today? I know we talked about AMD.
This is the reason PayPal ran.
I know that. AMD day 2 was absolutely great. Day 1 was even better. In some senses, I think the day 2 continuation that happened today, bigger picture, if you're still sitting in your swing, if you were in from pre-market highs.
I own AMD at 76.45 and 73.88.
Definitely I'm going to be keeping on watch as the week kind of carries on.
Baseline now is at 221.47.
Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at how AMD has panned out since yesterday, where we had that 35%.
That 37.63% to be exact.
Every day, right? This is kind of a little bit rare, a little bit overextended, kind of crazy. Oh boy.
This is resistance, your clear sell signals.
227.78. Those were the pre-market highs, and those were also all-time highs. Let's take a quick look back. Look at this.
Yeah, 226.71
was the all-time high previously printed in March of 2024. Now we come in today.
221.
This week, we print 227.78.
42 is now the next target, and then after that, $300.
Nice little flush, and it came in. Selling came in again once.
And $300 would take us.
Here's my thing. We're holding levels. Like we accelerated, we're consolidating sideways. So the question becomes, if we consolidate sideways long enough, and price starts to accept this higher, it starts to accept these higher prices and consolidate, I think we could be poised for maybe another leg.
There's the target.
Everything's been kind of hitting their all-time highs. And
it's going to take a while, but
finally got that approval from an AI company.
So when I looked at it on Monday, this was the middle of the trend, and now the middle of the trend is at 222.
Nvidia was how do I say?
He stutters a lot.
Attractive thing in the room. Nvidia was the one.
I love him.
AMD has got that seal of
but
approval. So I'm really
goodness.
curious to see how this kind of action kind of pans out throughout the rest of the year as well. We know how aggressively strong Nvidia has been.
PEJ is the bottom of the totem pole here, 58.59.
That's coming in pretty nicely, bigger picture.
Next target roughly 59.76 to the upside.
I like the idea, but here's the thing. I was going to say
and to the downside, 58.34.
A lot of these IPOs that had a lot of hype around them Straight up, man, amazing swing shorts. I like the long idea, but within the,
Let's look at
within the
Estee Lauder.
span from IPO to now, just go back and look how many IPOs actually trended up, how many IPOs trended down, and which ones would have been great swing shorts. I know everyone's trying to find value in the next greatest long, but the trade is right there in front of you. I mean, I don't know. I think Figma's been great as well. We talked about Fly.